Look at these gentlemen building away. So this is an expansion that's happening right now. So the question is, why are we here? Well, let me tell you at the end of the video why I'm here, but it's very exciting for RAD. My name's Tim. We're in Rukungiri district in Uganda. I work normally in Rukungiri district. So what's RAD doing over here, you might ask? Well, let me begin by explaining this project and where we're at. So this gentleman is called Nicholas. He works as a district fisheries officer. It's just over there with Pauson and Alex. And he's just telling us about the harvest. So he's just harvested this pond, which is 18 meters by 20, so it's about 500 odd square meters of space, and he has harvested quite well. He did about 600 kilos from this pond, and what's most impressive, I think, about him is that he fertilized his pond very well. It's obviously not green now because they've emptied the water to harvest to get everything in, but it was green. And he got some very good FCRs, which is feed conversion ratios of just below 1, he said. So he did use pellets, but he was also using natural fertilisation and getting very good results in these ponds, and then selling at a market, and again he made some good income around Christmas, which is when people want to buy fish. So he's been so successful with this, he's now on to his expansion. So he's building another pond. It's the same size. You can see the lads here digging away. I went and just chatted to them earlier. It's the same size, and he's working to stock. So he wants to finish this one, and then he'll stock again. So he'll have 2 ponds that he can take to market. And actually his neighbour, you can just see over the fence, has actually built another pond. So it's a sign that, you know, when neighbours start copying you, you're sharing their success, then you're encouraging people to do good aquaculture. And Nicholas, from what he's told us, is doing a great job in terms of the aquaculture here on site. He also has some cows. So he's got a small concrete structure here. He's got some cows which do grazing. He's going to do a bit of zero grazing, a bit of, well, mixed grazing. So he wants to buy some more cows, and then he's got some napier grass growing along his site. He'll put that in and use that to feed his cows, and then they'll also have a bit of free access. We were complaining about zero grazing, so we just think there are problems with it, and of course, for the cows, it's not particularly pleasant being stuck in concrete enclosure all the time. So they get outside some of the time. That's better than nothing. And then I'll just show you how he's channeled the water source. So this stream that's gone that way, he's channeled a bit off and taken it this way, and it flows through. I'll just show you where it flows through here. So then that goes down to ends up at the wetlands, so it rejoins, but he uses the water to fill the ponds as he needs them. The other thing we were saying to him, or Pauson was pointing out, is where he's joined the 2 streams together, there isn't a sort of pipe, it's just opened it up. So when floods come, all the excess water can just come down this way. So we're suggesting putting a pipe, because then you're limiting how much water can ever come in here. So during a flood, you're not risking your ponds down site. That's Nicholas, Pauson, Alex. And I'll just tell you, I told you at the beginning of the video, this is exciting for us. The reason it's exciting is we've long talked about expanding hubs. And so to do that, we need to find people, owner-operators, who can run those hubs. And Nicholas is interested in our model. And so we're just beginning those very, very early conversations to say, what do we think? Is this another potential place that we could expand to? We're going to go see another person as well. So do stay tuned to the channel, and I'll give you a video of what that person's like, Philip, who I've known for a lot longer. And we'll see how we go. But this is very exciting for us. Like, we've been dreaming about this possibility. You know, we wanted to prove Rukungiri, we've done that, and now we want to replicate. And so we are just sort of looking for possibilities of doing that. And that's what we're going to be doing next. So stay tuned. Do watch the next video, because you'll see the next person. and hopefully by the time you're watching this, we've moved some way closer to getting the next hub funded. Thank you for watching.